welcome or hello, including those witches and wizards watching this video. I'm Haven, and today we are going to be making a DIY Harry Potter squishy. This squishy is none other than Harry Potter's famous birthday cake. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. But before we go, if you want all the items will be listed down below. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get on to this DIY. Okay, so for the squishy, I'm going to be using a car wash sponge, and you can use any foam or sponge you have at home. And this is actually my first time doing this, so hopefully it turns out really good, or great, I don't know. Grab something round to trace on your sponge. After I was done tracing, I cut that out. Okay, so here is the line or the piece that's left, and I'm going to continue to cut. After I cut around, all I did was take smaller scissors and trim down the edges to make them smooth as possible, and this may take a while. Okay, so here's how the squishy looks right now. I just cut it into a circle shape. We're about to frost it, but before we go, I wanted to warn you that when you're cutting this, there's gonna be some little flake pieces, and when you breathe them in, it gets stuck in your throat, which is not a good feeling, so just to warn you about that. Okay, now let's get to decorating. Okay, so this is the puffy paint that we are using to frost the cake, and then we're gonna use this green one to do the writing. So let's go ahead and get started with the frosting. So I used my puffy paint, and all I did was cakey layers to make it look like a real cake. Since I wanted to speed up the process of the squishy drying, I brought out my trusty dusty blow dryer to save the day. I blow dried it a little bit, and then I let it sit overnight. Okay, so here's the squishy all nice and dried, and this actually took overnight to dry. It's super cute, and you can see the layering of the cake. It's super soft and squishy, but it's just not slow rising, which I don't really mind. So let's go ahead and get to writing the words on there. The words are simple to write, and if you messed up, all you had to do is wipe it down with a napkin. I love the results, and they turned out amazing. Okay, so now I wait for it to dry. I think I did a pretty good job at this. Okay, now we're gonna wait to dry like overnight. So yeah, put that to the side, and now we just wait. Oh, forgot you are still there. I loved how it turned out, and since you know me, I'm extra, so I had to make packaging for it. I just put it in this little gift box and wrapped it around with purple ribbon. It looks exactly like the one from the movie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did don't forget to like this video, and also click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, because you'll be magically notified whenever I post a new video, and yeah! Bye! And also, thank you for joining me with these Potterific videos.